This scene is of significant value to the film, for it is the part in which depicts the first time that Walter Neff and Phyllis Dietrichson encounter one another. In this brief 2-minute and 45-second scene, the viewer is exposed to the immediate spark between both characters. This passionate first interaction reels in the viewer and portrays the plot's significance through the angle and lighting of the camera. As Walter first enters the Dietrichson residence, the lighting is dark and the scene is dull. But suddenly, as Phyllis enters the room, both Walter and the housekeeper look towards the stairs, where the camera follows and is redirected towards Phyllis. It is during this moment that the light is significantly more vibrant and the mood suddenly intensifies. The camera cuts again and shows a close-up of Walter's face, in which is glowing with admiration and brightened to explicate his giddiness. In order to demonstrate the connection between both Phyllis and Walter, the camera changes to the point of view of Walter, which is executed through a low-angle shot for the purpose of portraying the difference in foreground from the foyer to the top of the staircase. It is after this that there are several scene cuts that go back and forth from Walter to Phyllis to demonstrate their attraction through both their facial expressions and body language. Once Phyllis has left the room, the focal point is brought back to Walter, who soon leaves the foyer and enters a dark room to wait for Phyllis to come back once again.
The living room was still stuffy from last night's cigars. The windows were closed and the sunshine coming in through the Venetian blind showed up the dust in the air. On the piano in a couple of fancy frames were Mr. Dietrichson and Lola, his daughter by his first wife. They had a bowl of those little red goldfish on the table behind the big Davenport. But to tell you the truth, Keys, I wasn't a whole lot interested in goldfish right then.
As Phyllis enters the room, the camera focus shifts to the stairs, where the viewer is exposed to each and every step that Phyllis takes in order to create a buildup of suspense prior to Walter and Phyllis's re-encounter.